You can't do without this. Every year you like you can't do without Michelle pussy.
Bob!
You can't get the next pussy for fuck in there though.
Bob!
You can't get the next pussy.
I have the sugar pussy. Tell the man, man.
Come me come down here. Come here the most sweet pussy.
Bob!
The sweetest pussy you have.
Sugar pussy. Awa, so Martin around the money.
I come and tell my mother about me. Me gone in a different man yard.
Oh.
You never know, say my mother either tell me about. Me live at Walton Park Road. Me no live alone. A concrete house me live in. And a board house me live in. Where you live? Me and my baby father, my pick me alone live up at that.
And still I get the like sugar and still I murmur.
Still I get look like sugar pussy and you go on like that. You go on like say, you own me. You don't own me. And Mikey Thompson alone own me.
Call your man name again.
Mikey Thompson alone own me.
Boop.
Oh.
She a Maltina left, man. She only there make nice 2 Maltina get no money.
Down where anybody could give in the center and I'm son in chat to. I'm son in chat to. So I make the car.
When chat him son say?
You go on and leave me alone. You go on and leave me alone.
And that you know.
You can't scratch nobody. Everybody knows him nasty. Him can't say nasty. Him can't say nasty. He never look clean yet. Down to the people them up at the big shop are hungry. Down to the people them scan him. Down to the people them scan him up at the shop. Down to the people them scan him up at the shop. Down to my dear father, them want to work in there. Down to Mikey, them want to work in there. So Mikey look cleaner than Mikey. Down to my dear father, them want to work up at the big shop. Because them say nasty. You know how to pick up sin off the ground. Like some mad people.
Good. Say a good multi love.
Oh, draw big boy. You think you should have let me that? You think you should have let me that? You forgot to say you have to walk a while time come by David sitting up. When I don't send some man up the pan you. When I don't send some man from round a Mission Road, for you say, boy, you better cool yourself.
Michelle done by a couple of days a year. Michelle done by a couple of days a year in a man.
Me now go back, kind of drunk bro. He come like some drunk bro. He come like some shit house I want to flush out.
Why you lie down with the shit house? What the hell is a man big man got?
You want to go the dirty piss pot all time house. It smell bad piss pot all time house. When pissing a see me, stop them over like some girl. A piss. And if it dirty smell bad piss pot in a house. You know, sunny out the morning time and carry it in.
Hey, don't carry it. Hey, all you know the shit there, my fault. Eh? I'm going to kill your mom, no.
Kill me.
Kill me.
Kill me.
Kill me.